Education Network.
It's Passion Educational Network, PEN. This is the very first class of chapter Linear Graphs and Simultaneous Linear Equation. The topic of today's class is gradient of a line. So let's begin. The equation of a straight line is y is equals to mx plus c, where m and c are constants. To understand gradient, take a look at the roads or mountains around you. You will observe some are steeper than others. Same happen with line. So gradient is a measure of how steep the line actually is. We can conclude that y is equals to mx plus c. M is the gradient and c is the y-intercept. That means the point in which the line is intercepting the y-axis. In this graph, the value of y is minus 3 and x is 2. We will learn to find the value of m or gradient and c or y-intercept later on. A gradient can be positive or negative. So if the line is going upwards, sloping from left to right, it will be positive. But if the line is going downwards, sloping from left to right, it will be negative. The next point is, as the value of gradient increases, the steepness of the line also increases. For example, a line with a gradient of 4 is steeper than a line with gradient of 3. In negative, a line with a gradient of minus 3 will be steeper than a line with gradient of minus 4 because minus 3 is greater than minus 4. Finally, how to find a gradient? So the formula of finding a gradient is vertical change upon horizontal change or rise upon run. That's for today. In the next class, we will solve some questions of finding gradient.